Hi there, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. I'm just wondering, are you a user of SLS, a regular user, and you love SLS? Then have you ever wondered, how can I embed a slideshow from slides that I already have in my lesson plans and lesson banks and present directly in SLS? So in this video, we're going to show you how to do that, embedding a slideshow and present directly in SLS. To be first to be notified of future useful EdTech video, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom and also click the notification bell and give us a like and maybe some comments of how you can use it, right? Then we'll dive right in. We'll show you step by step now. Okay, first thing is to open up your slides in your Google Drive, okay, your Google slide, and just go over to the top, look for the word file and click on it. Go down to the bottom, you will see publish to web, right? And that is where you can find your embed code, right? Click on that, right? And you will see that you can actually convert it to web version of your slides into two types. One is a link, URL link, or embed code. And the embed code will be more functionable in terms of the view of the usage directly in SLS. So go ahead and click on embed, alright? And then you need to click publish. Then you will get the embed code. So now you will see the embed code here highlighted, alright? You just have to click Ctrl C at the same time, right, to copy the embed code. And next, go over to SLS. Once you're in SLS, you can go to your drive, alright, my drive, and look for the particular lesson package that you would like to embed the slides. Open it. Ensure that you have got into the section that you would like to embed that particular part. Okay. Then next, click on the pencil sign edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, go to the section, scroll down to where you want to embed that particular slide. At the location you want to add on the slideshow, just click on the plus sign. Alright, click on text and media. Alright, next click on this embed code symbol. Paste the embed code by clicking Ctrl V. Next, it's important that you change the dimension of the width and the height, right, so that it fits nicely into the page of the SLS, so you do not have to exit or go out into an external page. The width is 430 and the height is 300. Alright, once you're done with these two changes, click on add. Right, you'll see appearing right here in this space the width, just nice, the width of the page, right, and the bottom are the bars that you can use, right, for switching from page to page of the slideshow. So once you're satisfied with this, go down to the bottom and click on add. Alright, because the dimension also depends on the dimension of your original slides, so you can play around with the numbers in order to maximize the space here. Right, so in this case, you can see that I don't need to switch out of the page. It's just nice in the page size, right? And I can click on each page and it will move presentation directly in SLS. Alright, and I hope you enjoy this particular exercise and tutorial. Alright, you can actually switch from slide to slide by just clicking on this arrow, and you can jump straight into the slide that you want. Alright, and continue clicking to present directly from SLS. Once you're satisfied with this inserted embedded slideshow, remember to click Save button right at the top. Okay, so everything will be done and saved before you, and you're ready to assign this class lesson to your student. Hope you like this video and you'd like to be the first to notify a future video. Please click subscribe at the bottom, click subscribe at the round button here. Alright, and I'll look forward to see you again. Take care.